I'm going to leave it like that.
It's not in the thing.
It's good enough.
Oh,
It's on the
Lord
hook.
Jesus. Help us all. Welcome to my channel. I don't know, last time he got it right in and he struggled to get it out, but this time it doesn't want to go in. So, next, hopefully, he'll be able to lift this out. What do you think? Is this a take, or do you think it's going to be the next clip? Make your guess below. Pin it.
Get underneath the car. I get the motor mount. This is a big deal. Well, nothing's a big deal.
He's over here talking to himself. What do y'all think about that? Has he lost it? And let's see what happens, y'all.
Get this tight.
There's a lot of slack in the chain.
I should actually see
Some
little oomph
coming out.
the motor mounts. I'm going to leave it just like that. Because this has got to find its way too. See, that's not correct.
Because it's not straight.
Yeah. I mean,
It'll
it's
probably
going to just
straighten
bind.
out.
It's going to just bind where it wants to bind.
Yeah, well, it looks like you just fixed it.
Oh, no.
No?
So right off the bat, it's going to be take this spark plug out, which I only have finger tight. Not that these are any good, but remember the engine's coming forward.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll hit that. Put this over the other side. The other one's got this one in the way. Oh, I can't put weight on there.
Because it wants to go forward?
No, I can't put
Or
weight
down.
on this.
Because it will go forward or down?
It's weak.
Okay. I know that.
There is some issues up here. I might have to unclip that. I got the wire cutters here, so a lot of issues.
Yeah, so we might have mega amounts of different clips. I might just wait until he actually gets it lifted to film next.
Get down to the jack. All right, I'm gonna go get the transmission bolts out. Should be 9/16.
He's just talking to himself. That's why you don't hear him.
5/8.
All right, I'm just gonna stop this here again and wait for the next action. That's hopefully the real stuff. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. I hope you'll join our channel if you haven't, and I hope you'll hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming notifications, because you never know what we might share next. So hopefully we'll get this going. Then he can get it on the stand and then get the car in the garage. Then he can work on the engine and then cleaning out underneath the car and everything like we said in previous videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.